Hi, I'm Max, your favorite Blue Park pool care professional, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use flocculant. So the first step you want to do in flocking your pool is turning off your pump and changing your filter setting from filter to recirculate, and then turning your pump back on, like so. Next, you're going to want to remove your skimmer basket and put in the recommended amount of flock for your pool size.
All right, so before we flock the pool, we have to make sure everything is appropriately balanced. Spot on to me.
Flocka. I go hard.
Now we're going to let that run for 2 hours on recirculate.
2 hours later.
Now we're going to turn the pump off and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours.
The next day.
Now that everything is settled to the bottom, you're going to want to use your vacuum to vacuum on the waste setting using very long, slow, and smooth strokes.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Sweep, sweep, sweep.
After vacuuming out on waste, you're going to want to top off your water using your hose, and your pool should look clear, like so. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments what your favorite part of the flock process is.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is